Now, the biggest challenge that we're hearing from the firms that we work with across the world, and in particular in the US market, is the ability to be able to deliver all of the work with the right talent, the right people in the business. We've heard from firms telling us that their partners are auditing cash because they don't have enough junior resources to be able to deliver that work. Clearly, that's an ineffective use of that partner's time. We've heard of firms who've had to turn down opportunities for blanket periods of 6 months because they don't have the resource to be able to deliver the work that they could potentially win in the market, which ties into the opportunity for fee income growth. Now, the digital audit allows firms to achieve fee income growth from two areas. Firstly, from their existing clients, because they can deliver a far more effective, more valuable audit to their clients. They're able to increase the fees that they charge to their clients. Secondly, though, they're able to win new clients. They're able to win new clients who are looking for an advisor, an audit firm, who is embracing technology and delivering more value than their current provider. We've actually seen circumstances where there are proposals being put together where the client or the target client is stipulating not just that they wish that technology will be used, but that they wish inflow will be used as part of the audit process. And that's a very big shift in the expectations of the client, but it gives firms a very big opportunity to be able to capitalize on investment in technology. Then we talk about client insights. Naturally, as part of a digital audit, we are using data not just to perform the audit process, whether that's to support risk assessment procedures or substantive testing, but it's inherently to also deliver more value in terms of the reporting that's possible to the client. That might take the form of visualizations being included in audit committee papers or management letters, or it might take the form of publishing intuitive dashboards that the client can actually analyze of their own data. All of this is a natural byproduct of a digital audit process. Quality is inherently factored into everything we're thinking about around audit. It is a regulated service. We must make sure that anything that we're doing from a technology or an innovation standpoint is maintaining or improving quality. And naturally, a digital audit is going to enrich our risk assessment process. It's going to allow us to perform analytics across 100% of the population. It inherently makes sure that we comply with the requirements of the standards through the methodology and the forms that are built into the platform. Very, very powerful for firms to have the confidence to be able to move forward with technology and make sure that what's been brought in is superseding what's been done before. And a really important point to close on this slide is staff experience. We're seeing that requirement for more talent is partly being caused by people leaving the profession, people who've decided that being a CPA or being an accountant is not something they want to do longer term in practice or in the profession in its entirety. And so how can we make sure that we're creating a digital audit way of working that actually harnesses the more modern ways that people graduating and joining the firm at the very start of their careers are enthused to be a part of, and they can see a longer term future where they can develop their talent and achieve their career objectives from a profession that's embracing technology rather than a profession that's skeptical about the technology adoption curve.